The ingredients needed for radish sambar are radish, oil, mustard seeds, tomatoes, onion, tur dal, a pinch of turmeric, 2 spoons sambar powder, 1 lemon sized tamarind, salt, coriander leaves, curry leaves. Now let us cook tur dal and radish together. Let's cut the radish and cook it along with the tur dal. Pour water and give 3 whistles. Now let us soak the tamarind. Now let us cut the onions finely. Now let us cut tomatoes into small pieces. Now let us pour 2 spoons of oil and let us fry the onions for 2 minutes so that we get a nice aroma of the onion. Let us add little salt. Then let us add tomatoes and fry it for 2 minutes. Now let us transfer the onion and tomatoes in the vessel where we are going to prepare the sambar. And now let us add the tamarind water and give it a boil. Now let us see the radish and tur dal. It is cooked nicely. Now let us mix this with the onions and tomatoes. Let's add the tur dal and give it a stir. Stir it properly, and now let us add sambar powder by mixing it in water. Mix it properly and let us add it to the sambar. Now our radish sambar is getting ready. Now let us add a pinch of jaggery, which was not mentioned in the ingredients. It is optional, and little bit of hing. It adds taste to the sambar when you add a little bit of jaggery. Now you can see the radish, onion, tomato, everything boiling together. At this stage we can add coriander leaves and let it boil for another 2 minutes. Now let us give the tempering to the sambar. We'll add oil and let us add the mustard seed. Let us add the mustard seed. When the mustard seeds are spluttering, now we can add the curry leaves. You can see the mustard spluttering. Now let us add the curry leaves. The curry leaves nicely getting roasted gives a very good aroma. Now our tempering is ready to mix with the sambar. You can see it is ready now. Let us mix it with the sambar and just give it a stir and close the lid. Sambar is ready. You can serve it with hot rice, pickle, and you can relish it. Radish sambar. Thank you.